What's up, everybody? It's your boy Trayvon here with Scent Talk TV, and today we're going to be reviewing a fragrance from the house of Jimmy Choo. This is Jimmy Choo Urban Hero Gold Edition. There you go. Here's the box. Well, no. Here's the bottle. You got the size and concentration at this sticker at the bottom right here. It's a 50 milliliter, 1.7 ounce bottle. EDT concentration. The atomizer on this thing is nice. This is a great atomizer. Well, not great, but it is a nice atomizer though. One thing I like about this fragrance is the bottle. I like the graffiti style Urban Hero and gold and stuff like that. Black and gold. Definitely just adore the bottle. It's really good. What I get out of this fragrance is a fresh, warm, as well as a spicy, oriental type of a fruitiness coming from this fragrance. In the top, you got pineapple and blood orange. The pineapple and blood orange gives it like a very tart, dense fruitiness in the opening, as well as a little bit of some spices along with it. You know, the blood orange makes it like a really dense, sweet, tart-like fruitiness, as well as that pineapple giving it like a more of a tart, citrusy type of fresh fruitiness that's not too loud, but it's a little bit subtle. I get more of the blood orange than anything in the top. As you transition into the mid, you get the tonka bean and the lavender. Tonka bean gives it like that dry fruitiness, gives it some more fruitiness, a little bit more depth, like dry, some type of like a gourmety type of a dry fruitiness, going very, very well and combined with that blood orange and that pineapple as well, but mostly the blood orange, I will say, mostly with the blood orange. Then you get the lavender that kind of like freshens it up just a tad bit. You get somewhat of a soft, like clean, fresh spiciness coming from this. This is like the lavender is what makes it like fresh, spicy, making it like a warm, fruity, fresh, spicy scent. Then you get into the base, you get that saddlewood and that oak moss. The saddlewood gives you like a smooth, somewhat creamy woodiness that's like that hangs in the background, that's not too dominant, that's just subtle in the background, not really noticeable, but it's there. So, and the oak moss gives it like a little bit of an undertone of an earthy touch behind that fresh spiciness with that lavender. So overall, fresh, spicy, warm, tart-like fruitiness coming from this fragrance. Has it been done before? Of course. But it's something about this fragrance that makes it a little bit different than your usual, fresh, spicy, fruity, warm fragrances that you might know of. But it's something that this fragrance does a little bit different. Not sure what that is, but to my nose and on my skin, blended with my skin chemistry, I believe that it does. I forgot to show off the box. Here's what the box that it comes in. And I picked this bad boy up for $36. Wait, $37 and some change, actually. Got it at my local Marshalls, but you can get this at Ross as of right now. I've seen it at Ross and Marshalls. Not sure about TJ Maxx's. Went to a lot of TJ Maxx's over the weekend and didn't really see this anywhere except for like a Marshalls and a Ross. So if you're interested in this, I haven't seen any 3.4s, only 1.7s of this fragrance. So if you're interested, those two locations, you can most definitely find it there. This fragrance kind of reminds me of Mont Blanc Legend Red, but with the blood orange that's inside of here. But it seemed like this one does it a little bit better as far as like longevity and performance with that blood orange compared to the longevity and performance of Mont Blanc Legend Red. I think that this is the best one. If you are interested in like, blood orange oriented type of fragrances, I think this one over Mont Blanc Legend Red, I think this would be better. The longevity on this was pretty good. It was shocking because, Urban Hero, like the original Urban Hero, let's not talk about that as far as performance, but this one actually is pretty nice. I get like a good 5 to 6 hours. Projection was good within the first hour, set close to the skin, giving you a nice little soft, moderate sillage, depending on how much you spray. I didn't go too crazy on the sprays with this, but I went to good, I think 5 to 6 sprays. That might be crazy to you, but to me, that's not. So I would think that if you spray enough, if you want that monstrous projection and longevity, you can spray a lot with this one. But be advised that I believe that this would choke some people out if you spray too much, because it did choke me out when I was at work, but it didn't choke anybody else out because I didn't get any compliments or anything like that or negative feedback. But I know in my little cubicle setting that I'm in at work, it was like choking me out to the point where I had to dip in and out of the cubicle because I was just booming all over the place. So I'd say just dial down on the sprays a little bit. Seasons to wear this: late summer, fall, and winter. I say late summer because that's when it starts getting cool a little bit, like at nighttime in summertime. At the nighttime, if you want to wear something that's a little bit heavy and sweet, go at in the hot weather, use this in the summertime at night. High heat situations is a no-go. I think it would be cloying, but hey, do what you do. If you want to wear it and around that time, that's up to you. But fall and winter time and spring, you can definitely pull this off in spring when it's cool. Age group, I think all ages can pull it off. I mean, if you like it, wear it, no matter what age that you are. And specifics, I will say this is more like the youthful, younger crowd, like teenage on up to middle age, can rock this because it has that sensuality of sweetness, playfulness, a little bit more of an immature, party boy style type of a scent that's, that's sweet and, massive, not mass appealing, but, it has a nice amount of sweetness to where it would give you some compliments and stuff like that. That type of a captivating sweetness that it has in here. But if you're an older gentleman and you like this, rock it. Break the rules. It doesn't matter. You like what you like, wear it. Who cares? Should you buy this fragrance? Well, I would say if you're a big fan of blood orange and some fruitiness and stuff like that, you should definitely wear this fragrance or buy this fragrance. Okay, everybody, notice that I'm wearing a whole different shirt. It's because that my camera battery has died. And I had to make another clip for the outro so I can end the video. So that's all that I got for Scent Talk TV, ladies and gentlemen. As always, you know what to do. You gotta like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be safe out there and be blessed. Have a good one. I'm out of here. Peace. Ooh.